Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox the Xiaomi 33W power bank, which is also called the Pocket Edition Pro power bank. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the parcel of the Xiaomi 33W power bank. So its capacity is 10,000 mAh and the model is Power Edition Pro. If you want to buy it, I will put the link in the video description. And here is the actual power bank. So if you can see that the box size is pretty small, and that's the main purpose of this Power Edition Pro, that it's going to give or deliver fast power up to 33 watts, and its size is going to be really small or compact, as you can see right here. So here you can see Xiaomi 33W power bank, 10,000 mAh is its capacity. Pocket Edition Pro, the model is that. Here on the side we got some of its specification, as you can see, which are in different languages, I would say. And here we have in English: compact and portable, type C two-way fast charging, 33W max fast charging. So if you have a device which supports fast charging, then it will charge it up pretty quickly. And it has a type C port as well as a USB-A port, meaning that you can charge two devices simultaneously. Here you have the original Xiaomi sticker as well on the top, meaning that it is a genuine product. Here on the box we are going to have some of these things. First of all, a quick start guide and a warranty card. Other than that, you're going to have a USB type C to type A cable, which can also be used as a type C to type C cable for either to charge the actual power bank or to charge any device using your power bank. So you should not lose this cable, because this is a high quality one which will support fast charging if your mobile phone supports it. And last but not least, we have this our small Xiaomi Pocket Pro power bank with the 10,000 mAh battery. Here is the Xiaomi Pocket Edition Pro power bank in the midnight blue color. So the whole body is made up of plastic, and if you're going to drop it by accidentally, then I don't think it's going to last. It's going to break pretty easily. The back side is made of matte plastic, 10,000 mAh is its capacity, and the front is made up of glossy plastic, which is going to attract your fingerprints, and I don't like this glossy finish. If the whole was made of the matte plastic, it would be really cool. Anyways, the Xiaomi logo or the Xiaomi text on the side, you have nothing. On the back there's nothing, and on the top you have your main ports. You have a USB type A port to charge your devices. You have a fast speed 33W type C port, which is used to charge your devices as well. If you want to charge the power bank, you're going to use the same port. And a button to enable charging or to show you the battery level. So here if I click on the button, you're going to have the power indication light on the top. As you can see, it has 4 lights, meaning that it is fully charged. So you can hook up two devices at the same time, and for weight it weighs around, and this is much lighter than your iPhone 14 Pro, which weighs around 220 or 240 grams. And regarding size, here is an iPhone 6s and here is your Xiaomi Pocket Edition Pro, and from here you can easily see that it is quite small in size as far as height is concerned. So you can easily put it in your pocket if you want to carry it with yourself, and the capacity is also okay. Here I am going to power my two iPhones using the Xiaomi power bank. Again, this supports two devices charged simultaneously. So again the USB type A supports slow charging. So I'm going to connect my iPhone 7 Plus with the USB A port, and my iPhone 14 Pro with the fast charging type C port. So all you need to do is to plug them into your phones like that, and you can see that the charging process has started in the second phone as well. And you can see both the phones are now being charged, and my iPhone 14 Pro is at 15% of charging, if you can see right here. So I'm going to look at it again after half an hour to see how much it has charged within 30 minutes with the iPhone 14 Pro, which supports fast charging. So for the test, I'm going to remove the iPhone 7 Plus, and we're going to see how fast can it charge the iPhone 14 Pro. So after 30 minutes you can see that we have around 54% of charging, which means that in around 30 minutes it has charged to 39 or 40%, because initially it had 15% of juice. So in 30 minutes if it charged your iPhone 14 Pro to 40% of battery, then it is not very bad. Looking at the size of this small power bank, and you can also carry it with your phone. So yeah, not bad as it supports fast charging. And if you're in a situation where you need to have charging on your MacBook, then this power bank has the capability to charge your Mac with the type C port. So here I have a simple type C to type C port, and if I connect it with my MacBook, you can see that the MacBook has started charging using this small little power bank. So if you are in a situation where you really need your MacBook to be charged, then you can use this power bank as well. Obviously it's not going to fully charge your Mac, but still it's going to help you with your critical situation. So overall this is not a bad power bank for your phone, as it is not that much expensive. It has good amount of juice in it. It is pretty small and lightweight. The only thing bad about is this glossy finish, which attracts a lot of fingerprints and it makes it look really dirty. If it was fully matte, then I would really love it. But overall, looking at its fast charging capability, lightweightness and small size, I think this is a good power bank for the price. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Xiaomi 33W power bank, which is also known as the Pocket Edition Pro. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.